Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, where we left off last time is after I bought the Fiat, drove it home about 70 miles. I get 2 miles from the house and the rear end blew out of it. Snapped 3 teeth off. I was lucky enough though to find a resource on eBay, and I was able to get a great deal on it. I got the whole rear end with shipping and everything for like $3.95. So that was absolutely a great deal. Robin was able to get the parts installed. The only thing I had to do is I had to get some seals and stuff. So I used some of the online supply places that specialize in Italian cars, and was able to get the parts that I needed there. So it worked out really well, and the video is just going to kind of have a little tour of the underneath of the car, some of the components under the Fiat 124, and me finally being able to drive it. I got some shots of it going up and down the street in front of my house. So thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy. And we got some really cool stuff coming next week. Bye-bye.
There we go. Sorry for getting in the way. Hey, I can get the kitty.
We had a leaky seal when we put it together, so I just picked up another seal. And two best mechanics in the world are putting it together. My Italian beauty. Alright, so we finally put the new pinion seal in, and Robin's gonna check the oil in the rear end, because you know when you replace the pinion seal you're gonna lose a little bit of oil. You can see there's some overspray on the bottom, so something must have gotten touched up at one point. I don't think they'd have paint overspray from the factory.